Hello everyone and welcome back to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making cassava pone. Let's get started. You will need 3 cups of grated cassava, 1.5 cups of grated pumpkin, 1.5 cups of grated coconut, and you're going to just mix this in. And then you are now going to add 2.5 cups of brown sugar, 5 tablespoons of softened butter, and now we are going to add our spices. You need 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons of grated nutmeg, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Now the consistency that you are looking for, it's a stiff, wet consistency, not a moist, loose consistency. So when I'm finished mixing this, I always have 1/4 cup of coconut milk, just optional in case the mixture is not to the consistency that I need it. So you have to mix it because everything in this bowl has liquid and you do not want your mixture to be loose. It's going to take a long time to bake, like forever. So you need it to be stiff and moist. So let's see if we get that consistency today. If not, we are just going to add approximately 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon at a time of coconut milk. We are just adding until the brown sugar is mixed in and has partially dissolved in the mixture. As you can see, I don't need to add any more liquid because it's liquid enough for me. You are going to put your mixture into your baking dish, greased baking dish, and you are going to bake it until it's nice and golden brown. And when you insert a pick into the middle, it comes out clean. You are baking it at 350 degrees. So now I'm going to proceed to put it in the baking dish and I'm going to pop it in the oven. As you can see, as I said, this is the mixture. This is the consistency that you're looking for. So now I'm transferring it to the bowl. And we are just going to level out the top. Now we are going to pop it in our oven.